Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. And let us see a Japanese term called MUDA in this session. So, what is MUDA? Oh, it's one of the key parts of driving the business forward and able to identify and tackle the waste. Is a process taking too long? Is it creating a bottleneck? Or your workers struggling to be productive? In this process session, we look again at the what managers can learn from TPS or Toyota Production System about how to improve the business processes. The specific concept we are tackling is MUDA. MUDA translates roughly as a waste and refers to the inefficiency within the processes which you can seek to reduce or eliminate entirely. The elimination of waste is the primary goal of any lean system. In effect, lean declares war on waste, any waste. Waste or MUDA is anything that does not add value. Waste is something the customer will not pay for. We will look at the core 7 types of waste Toyota see within processes and production system and considers the claims for the addition of an eighth one. The 7 forms of MUDA: waste of overproduction, which is the largest waste; waste of time on hand, which is waste of transportation, waste of processing itself, waste of stock on at hand, waste of movement, waste of making defective products. All these are called MUDA. Thanks for watching. Bye.